Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to DURGASOFT online training and welcome to logic based programming. Logic based programming. In short form, we will call it as LPP, logic based programming. And myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 years of experience as a trainer. So in this particular course, the title of this course is logic based programming. Since it is the 13th batch, the batch number is nothing but 13, LBP 13. Okay. So next and after that, what is the timings of this batch? This batch timings is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Every day, evening 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we will have our regular classes. Okay. 1 second. Right. So 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day, Monday to Saturday, except on Sundays, we will have the class from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. But regularly, I'm going to take some weekend sessions also, like especially Saturday and Sunday. Probably Saturday won't be there any classer, but you can attend on Saturday also some extra questionnaires, or if any similar problems are there or doubts clarifications, those things we can plan on Monday to Saturday. So next and after that, sir, what is the duration of this course? The duration of this course is nothing but 45 days. I can say 1.5 month, or I can say 45 classes it requires to finish this course. Next and after that, what is the fees for this batch? So the fees for this batch is rupees 2,500, including live classes, plus running notes, plus we are going to get videos support also. But these videos, okay, these videos are not downloadable. Okay, just you have to watch for 7 months or 6 months access. Sir, to whom we have to cover, to whom we have to contact if we want to get registration? Okay, 7207 212427. You can contact to this number, or you can contact 888. Okay, 8885. Okay, 8885 252627. Any one of this number you can contact, okay, to get registration for this course. Sir, what is the actual content? What is this logic based programming? See, majority of you people may have a knowledge, okay, on any programming domain. For example, sir, I know very well C language. Okay, so I know very well Java, I know very well C++, or I know very well Python. Like, you people may have your programming skills in your mind. Sir, once if you are joining into any company, compulsory they are going to put you in a project where you have to write the logics, or where you have to code each and everything, test each and everything. Like, n number of coding skills may require, okay, when you are working. So for those, definitely you need something thinking capacity, right? We have to think. Suppose I got a problem. Okay, like, what is the problem is, I have three numbers are there, A, B, and then C. Among these three persons, so they have given first person salary, second person salary, third person salary. I want to find out, so the person who is getting highest salary, okay, or the student who got highest marks. Because these programs you have seen day by day, in your college, first year in C language, second year in Java, like in different years, different programming languages you have learned. That's why it is very easy for you to identify logic for this. Simply we have to use if condition and we have to do the comparisons. Finally you will get the result. This is the normal criteria, right? Each and everything. But like this, if the problem is very simple, already you have seen this problem. That's why it is easy to write the code. But if anywhere unseen problem came, any new problem if you have faced, then how you can able to solve that problem? Sir, very simple. In my previous classes, I am going to use one word, sir. If you want, you can see. So approaches to solve the problem. There is one statement is there. Have you observed how I will get idea generation? More if you practice, you will get idea. By practicing you will get a pattern of the problem. Suppose if they are asking similar kind of a problem to find a second biggest, since you know how to solve the biggest of three numbers, calculating second biggest will become very easy. So pattern you can identify by solving the so many problems. Sir, easily we can solve unseen problems. Try to simplify the task at hand. Try to apply few example. Think about the suitable. Forget about this. Think about the similar problems you have solved. This is nothing but our agenda in this logic based programming. We are going to cover some programs, sir. I will give the problem statement and I am going to give some examples. Like this problem is going to take these inputs and compulsory for after solving that problem we are going to get output like this. For example, if the given input is for addition of two numbers, if I am giving 2 3 as a input, I need to get output as a 5, right? So for this we have to write the code. This is nothing but our task. Problem statement, inputs, outputs, everything we are going to supply in advance. For that we have to write logic. That is nothing but the main agenda of this logic based programming. Sir, like this, how many programs we are going to cover? Very simple, sir. The number of programs that we are going to cover. Okay. So the number of programs that we are going to cover here is nothing but, so number of programs is nothing but, maybe in the title itself you have seen 350 plus programs we are going to cover. Sir, what about implementation? Which programming languages we are using to implement this? Very simple, sir. In the C language, I will explain. In Java, I will explain. And also how to code that in Python also we are going to teach. Sir, by solving a single problem in these three languages, what will happen? Definitely, okay, definitely your coding skills are going to be improved. Your coding skills are going to be improved like that. So you can able to get, sir. Right. Sir, after this, okay, after this, we are going to use one tool, sir. Okay, we are going to use one tool. That tool is nothing but a hacker rank. I think you have seen some hacker rank problems also in the companies also. If you are facing I mean if you are attending the interviews, they are going to give one technical problem for you to solve, and they are going to use some different coding challenge websites are there, like hacker rank, hacker yet, lead code. In that they are going to give the solution, I mean problem, and they will ask you to solve this problem within a stipulated time period. But the same thing here also we are going to use. Okay, but the small change here is nothing but I prepared one URL. We are going to give some URL for you. Best example, https://www dot so hacker, okay, hackerrank.com/lbp test. So this is for demo, sir. Demo URL. That means it will work only for a few programs. So like this, I am going to give one URL for you people. Just you have to open this URL, and there you can see all our 350 problems will be there. What is your task? You need to solve the problems one by one before attending the classes. So tomorrow if class is there means, suppose of course at very beginning it is not possible for you, so I am going to take some programs, then you will get some idea in your brain. So while coming to the next class, you can try some problems by your own. Like if I have given addition of two numbers, you can solve subtraction of two numbers, right? Like that, if you are keep on practicing the programs, what will happen? Your ideas, generation of ideas will become very easy when you are solving a new problem. Okay, then, sir, like this, if you are going to cover what kind of programs we are going to take, you are telling maximum of two numbers, minimum of two numbers, like that. So are you going to cover only basic programs? Because majority of the students are having this kind of queries, sir. But we are not going to solve only basic programs. But if you want to solve highest problem, I mean highest difficulty level problem, if you want to solve, then first you need to be very good at the beginning, sir, fundas. That's why I request everyone to please never hesitate. If you are seeing a small problem, even though if you know that a problem, so you know solution for that problem, means better to solve that problem before coming to the next class. Okay, so that your concentration is going to be improved. Whenever you are going to see a new problem, you will feel very good from your heart, sir. That's why try to make it as a habit to code, because this is the feature, right? In upcoming days, everything will become IT, everything will become software. That's why I request everyone, practice, practice, practice. For that, this is nothing but the best course what we are going to have. And one more thing, some people may have a doubt, sir, what is the prerequisite for this course? Very simple, sir. Since we are learning implementations in three programming languages, compulsory you should have some idea about these programming languages. Sir, I know one programming language among these three, no problem. So you can enjoy these classes. Try to concentrate more on the language which you know. So remaining programming, I mean remaining languages, the same problem how we can able to solve in the other languages also, you can get, so that you can choose the best programming language that you are comfortable. Sir, in the interview, language independent programs they are going to ask. They won't ask write a C program or write a Java program, like that. So they will ask you implement a program. Programming language is your choice. Just the syntaxes are going to change, but your idea is common, right? That's why this course title is what, sir? Logic based. Logic based. First we will write the logic, then only we will go for implementation of these programs in C, Java, and Python. Sir, where is the syllabus? Where is the syllabus? Very simple. I think you have seen this syllabus already in our website, but for remaining student, just I am going to paste here. Yes, so we have 350 programs are there as of now in our hands, sir. So what are those programs? Just if you have, at the very beginning we are going to have only small programs. How to display welcome message, addition of two numbers. Suppose if I am giving an integer value, I want to get next to that. For example, if 10 is input, next number is what? Next to 10, 11. Like that we are going to get number of hours divisible by 3. So football points. Okay, maximum of two numbers, minimum of two numbers, maximum of three, minimum of three, same digit. So convert a string, compare a string by count of characters. Fizzbuzz, vaccination drive list preparators, employee rating points, puzzle, power function, extract the digits. So like we have so many programs are there, sir. Okay, so many programs are there. So sir, here you can able to see first few programs starting from 0012, maybe up to, okay, so maybe up to 25. You are going to get the problems which are very simple, very simple. And a problem number formula based. Problem number 26 to, sir, do you know, almost 70, yeah, I think 50. Yeah, up to this we are going to get if conditions based problems. Then program number 51 to, okay, around, yeah, around 150, we are going to get loops, looping based programs. And from 151 to, okay, 151 to, yes, 125, you are going to get array based programs. Okay, next 226 to remaining up to 275 or up to 274 matrix around 20, sorry, 50 programs we are going to cover on matrices. Then from 276 to till the end we are going to cover the problems related to the strings, like different category, different genres of programs are there here. You can able to enjoy these classes. Okay, this is nothing but what is the introduction to our course, which is nothing but logic based programming. I request everyone to please respond. If you are having any queries in this, I will try to resolve your queries first. Sir, can you please confirm, do you have any doubts, friends, up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this?
Sir, each program will be explained in C, Java, and Python.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right?
Every program we are going to explain in all these three languages.
All these things. Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Any other queries?
Prakash, actually, when we are talking three different languages at same time, don't you think there will be a lot of confusion?
Never, sir. Never. If you by heart the programming language, then you may get. But if you understand the concepts, definitely you won't get confused. Even you are going to get more excited, sir, by seeing the logics in different programming languages. Don't feel that. So it will be confusion. No, never, sir.
Okay, I have actually basic idea around all three languages, but I'm not expert. I am very beginner. Will this course helps to me?
Yeah, definitely. After completion of this course, you will become an expert. I will remember your name. Just you have to give the feedback at the end of course. Okay.
Okay. So I don't need to be expert level. What I need is, so for my background, I don't need to be expert, but nowadays people started asking some basic programs. So even though I don't have any, I'm not practicing.
Yeah. Why people why companies are asking the basic programs? Do you know the reason?
Actually,
Because I will give whether it is correct or not. But my opinion is, sir, the standards of these colleges and the standards of coaching centers are decreased. Okay, so if any person is asking, can you please write a Java program to check whether the prime given number is prime number or not, means, so the student is unable to answer that question, then immediately the interview person, he need that particular employee, or he needs some 10 members, means, so he is going to interview for 20 to 30 members. In that all the members don't know about prime number program, means what he has to do, definitely the complexity level he is going to reduce. He will ask some other easy program. Okay, at least we can train this student, and we can put it into the project, like that they may feel, and they will ask next level question, next easier question. So if you are attending these kind of classes, and if you are building the logics by your own means, we are not required to depend on anyone. Among these 30 members, you can become one person in that. So are you getting my point?
Yeah. So after seeing the 350 programs high level, after I felt like this course will definitely helps to me. The reason is the interviews I attended, they asked similar kind of programs.
Yes.
Sometimes even though it looks very simple, I had a hard time to write that code. Even
At that time,
not
at
from
that yeah,
coding
at that
background.
time you are going to feel it is hard, but once if you see the solution of that problem, you are going to feel this is the very easiest solution, right? So to avoid that feeling, we have these programs. So you see, when I'm taking my first class also, I felt the same, because when I'm writing the factorial program on the board, so sometimes I'm going to take a paper and I'm going to see that program and I will write. By seeing the paper, I'm going to write. So when student is asking the doubt in the laboratory, so I will ask him to wait and I will check the program line by line and I will come and I will rectify the doubt. So same operation I'm doing multiple times. Now with my hand, minimum some 300 to 400 times I typed the factorial. Then immediately if I close my eye also, my fingers will move to the program automatically. Because how it is possible? I am not an expert, but practice is nothing but this kind of things. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Right. Definitely, sir. Your requirement is going to be fulfilled. And some other person, how this course is going to be different than available in online. Harish, it is a completely live, Harish Khan. It is a completely live. There you can purchase videos also. And here we may add one or two programs or similar kind of programs if you are getting. We will give homework and we can have a communication medium. So you can parallelly practice. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. Any other queries? Sir, is everyone is okay means then I will go to our basic program, how to work with that hacker rank tool. I will demonstrate. Clear? Please respond everyone. Clear up to this?
Oh, yes, sir.
Right. So I will show you how you can able to work with this link. Sir, if you want to work with this link, you need to have an internet connection. There, just paste this URL. Okay, paste this URL. And here you can able to see we are going to get like this, and just connect with your Google account. Connect with your Google account. So it will be connected with your Google account, and you are going to get like this. Have you observed? There are no matching challenges. I think I removed all the challenges. One second, I will add some few challenges just for demo purpose. Right. So you can able to see here we have some challenges are there. Program number 1, 7, 8, 16. So some random programs I'm taking. From tomorrow we will have our regular programs we will discuss there. Okay. So as of now, let us see what is this first program. So you can able to see here. Here we have, yeah, you can see the first program here is welcome message. Okay. So how to print a simple welcome message on the screen with the different programming languages? You can see here, implement a program to read a username and display. We have to display welcome message on the screen. So the input is nothing but you have to give a name, username you have to supply, and the output is what? Welcome followed by whatever name you have given that you need to display. First I will explain one example program for you people. So consider, if the first input is admin, then the output which they are expecting is nothing but welcome admin, like this they are expecting. Suppose if the input is Prakash, then output which they are expecting is nothing but welcome Prakash. Suppose if the input is Prakash Babu, then the output is nothing but, do you know, welcome Prakash Babu. Like this we have to print. What is the logic for this? Very simple. We have to read a string. We have to read a string from user. We have to read a string from user, and we have to print welcome. Welcome. So followed by welcome, followed by, okay, welcome followed by that name. Whatever name that you have given, you can take that name. You can take that name. This is nothing but the concept what we have here. Sir, now there is one small note is there. Okay. But before moving to this note, whatever concept I explained, okay, same thing will be there in the Hacker Rank Challenge also. Just already I explained this program for our previous batch. That's why just I'm clicking on try again. I'm trying to solve this problem again. Okay, I'm trying to solve this problem again. Now, see here, you can see the problem statement here. Implement a program to read username and display welcome message on the console. Console means a screen. What is the input format? You have to read username from the user. Okay. So 1 second. Right, sorry for the delay. So implement a program to read username and display welcome message on the console. We have to implement a program to read username and we have to display welcome message on the console. Sir, here we need to read username from the user. Okay, we have to read username from the user. Is there any constraints here? No, there is no constraint. That means conditions are not there here, and we have to print message in the following form, sir. Which form? Welcome followed by the name whatever you accepted. So sample input is nothing but, if your sample input is admin, your output is nothing but welcome followed by admin. If your sample input is a Prakash, then output is welcome followed by Prakash. If your sample input is a Prakash followed by Babu, your sample output is welcome followed by Prakash and followed by Bob. Like this we have to get, sir. Sir, this program we have to implement. In how many programming languages we can try to solve this? Sir, we have 3 programming languages are there here. You can select any one of the programming language. If you are selecting C, it is going to display the skeleton. We are not required to write the program from top to bottom. Already that empty skeleton they are going to provide. Just we have to fill the code. Just we have to fill the code. And if I am selecting Java, you can see it is going to provide the empty skeleton. Just we have to fill the code. And if you are selecting Python, of course it won't be there here. So you have to write. Sir, in Python, you know very well, there is no standard format for this. We can write the code based on our requirement. Like we can write the code in scripting, or you can write the code in object oriented, or you can write the code in functional programming. In any way you can apply. Okay, that's why the code is open here. Any kind of a pattern you can able to choose. So this is nothing but the platform, sir. Here we need to write and we have to execute the code. Can you please confirm everyone, is this standard approach, is it clear for everyone? Yes. Yes, please confirm. Up to this, any doubts?
So for all the, hi Prakash, this is
Yes,
Durga.
sir. Yeah,
So
yeah.
for all the programs we are going to write in future, so are we executing all these programs in this editor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Right, sir. Now we will start providing the solution. What is the first solution here? I'm going to take C language implementation. Sir, here you are going to get a new point. Try to listen carefully. Here you are going to get a new point. Try to listen carefully. Sir, I want to write C program for this. Okay. Sir, I am taking C language skeleton. What is the first step? You have to declare a string variable. I am taking character. So name of 100. I am taking character name of 100, which can take how many characters? 100 characters it is going to take. Okay, which can take how many characters? 100 characters it can take. Then I am going to read that data. Scanf percentage yes, comma, I am going to take name. Scanf percentage yes, comma, I am going to take the name. It is going to read a name from the user. It is going to read a name from the user. So then same thing we need to print on the output or not. Yes, welcome followed by percentage yes, comma, name. So whatever data we are reading by using scanf, whatever data we are reading, that same information I'm going to print on the output screen. So with which message welcome followed by, so in this place we are going to get that particular name. After this we are going to, I mean this particular percentage yes is substituted with this particular name, sir. Like this we have. Okay. And sir, scanf, maybe some people are going to feel, sir, while reading the data, we have to use ampersand symbol, right? But we are not using ampersand symbol here. Sir, how you can able to read? Because listen carefully, ampersand symbol is not required, not required for reading an array and for reading a string, because array name or string name, so directly having the reference address of first element. That's why we are not required to write any ampersand symbol for these arrays and then strings. Remember carefully. Next, sir, can I execute this code? Yes, just we have to check whether it is working properly or not by clicking on run code. If you run the code and see what will happen, sir, first two test cases are success, but third test case is not a success. What is a test case 0 here? You can see if the input is admin, my output is welcome admin, and expected output is also welcome admin. Okay, fine. If a test case 1 is nothing but Prakash means welcome Prakash, and the expected output also welcome Prakash. But in the test case 2, if the input is Prakash followed by Babu, then you can see your output is welcome Prakash, but the expected output is nothing but Prakash Babu. Oh, whenever you are giving the input with respect to spaces in the string, if you are giving the spaces in the middle, so my scanf function is not taking the data. Okay, that's why here I have written the note. Sir, in C language, how to read the data? Scanf percentage yes, comma name. Like this, if you take, what will happen? It will read a string. It will read a string, including no, excluding spaces, right? Excluding spaces, it will read the data. Suppose if I'm taking scanf percentage yes, okay, comma name, but between this percentage and yes, within square brackets, if you take cap of slash n, okay, within this if you are taking cap of slash n, then what will happen? It is going to read a string. It is going to read a string, so including, okay, including spaces, it is going to read the string including spaces. That is the advantage what we have. Sir, what is this cap of slash n? Excluding null new line characters, you, I want to read the data except new line character. when you are going to get new line character, once if the complete statement got completed, then only you are going to get next line, right? So till that I want to read the complete line. Okay, for that you can use cap of slash n. For that you can use cap of slash n. Now we will try to apply that cap of slash n here. Okay, and we will try to run the program. Let us see what will happen. You can see all the 3 test cases are passed successfully, and let us submit the code. And you can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied. This is the way how we can able to solve these kind of problems in C language. Sir, what is the new point that you got in C language? This cap of slash n. So if I am reading only a single word line, I mean single word string, then we can take directly. If you have multi-line word is there, then I mean multiple words are there, then we can able to use a cap of slash n. I think you people got a clear clarity about how to implement this program in C language. Everyone, can you please confirm? Is it clear for you people?
Yes. But I have one question, Prakash.
Yes, sir.
So basically, you have executed those test cases, right? So you have already written those test cases, or
Yes, sir. Yes, I have written for the problem. I have written already test cases.
but like, do you gonna write these test cases and going forward to show us like
No,
how
no,
to
no,
write
no,
those test
no, no.
cases are?
That is the important of this coding skills. Here you can able to see some sample test cases. It is open for you people.
Okay.
So based on this, you have to implement the program. Just
Okay. So these are the prerequisites which you have already defined
yes,
basically
yes,
before you write the program, right?
yes.
Okay, so those are the use test cases, right? Use case scenarios, basically.
Yes. Like that we can treat.
Okay.
So
I
Prakash,
I
how
have
I'm
never
going
used
to
this.
For some problems, you may have n number of test cases also. Level by level, these test cases also I changed. Some problems will have 10 test cases. Some problems will have 20 also. Okay, so all the cross edges I have verified and I have given all these test cases. These are inbuilt. I have typed and I have inserted all those things. So to meet that requirement, you have to write the program.
Okay, got it.
So Prakash, when I log in, I'm not seeing anything. You will be assigning these to me?
No.
how I'm
Same link you have used.
Oh,
1 second, I will
yeah.
share that. Just try to copy paste this and connect with your. Otherwise, just refresh it once. Just
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
sharing it.
Now I'm able to see. Okay.
Right.
So do we need to log in with our credentials?
Yeah, these are the demo classes, right? So
Okay.
today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days demo classes are there. These 3 days, whatever programs I'm going to cover, so those programs will be available in this what you can call LBP test. In this, those programs will be available. But once we regularize the class from Thursday, for this batch, I'm going to create one separate URL. There you will get all the programs. That means at a time I'm not going to give all the programs for you people. So maybe suppose if today I'm going to take 5 programs or 3 programs, means I will add some extra 5 or 6 like that. I will create some buffer for you people. The only intention is you can try by yourself. That is the reason, beyond that nothing.
Okay.
Any
So
other?
basically, if we log in from our own credentials, then we can change the code and we can do the re-execution, everything, whatever the the program.
If you open this URL with your credentials, it will show empty. Just you have to click and you have to solve the problem. You have to write the code.
Okay,
See,
got it.
1 second. Once if you log in here, you can able to see leaderboard position also. There who are practicing these programs, those usernames will come here.
Okay.
So where you are, you can able to test, check. Got it?
Yeah, got it. If you don't mind, can you copy that link and put it in the chat actually so that I can.
Yeah, I pasted already, sir.
Oh, you already pressed. Sorry. Never mind.
Right. So whatever I explained now is nothing but a C language implementation. Same thing we can do in Java also. Same thing we can do in Java also. So let us go for Java implementation. How we can able to solve this problem in Java, we will see now. Problem number 1 only I am going to take. And here you can able to see everything is the same. Just the programming language is going to change. So here what we have to do, you need to define a scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to, so I'm taking new scanner of system.in. I'm taking. I declared one scanner class object. I declared one scanner class object. Then what we have to do, I'm going to take a string name is equal to, sir, in Java also we have one function is there called object.next. Object is created for scanner class. Why we need scanner class? Because we have to read the dynamic data from the user. For that I have taken scanner class. So we can use a scanner class to read dynamic data from the user. If I want to read dynamic data from the user, we need to declare scanner class. So I'm taking string name is equal to obj.next name and system.out.println. So first we have to print welcome followed by space, and after this plus name you have to take. So welcome followed by space and then name, because here you can see some space is there. And here plus is the operator in Java which is used for concatenation purpose. Plus is the operator which is used for concatenation purpose. Just after this I am going to run the code. You can able to see here same problem, right? One test case is failing. The reason for that is same scenario. Okay, in Java, sir, we have this kind of issue is also there. So if we are taking obj.next, sir, what this next function is going to do, it will read a string excluding spaces. Sir, I want including spaces. Then there is other function is there called next line. In Java we have this kind of format, sir. If I use next line, then what will happen? It will read the string including spaces. Now in the place of next, can I take next line? Yes. Run the code. You can see 3 test cases are executed successfully, and submit the code for final approval. You can see the remaining test cases also working fine. I think you people got clarity in Java also. Can you please confirm any doubt in this Java implementation? Yes, is the concept is clear for you people?
Yes.
Right. Now I want to solve this problem in Python. I want to solve this problem in Python. Sir, how to implement this in Python? In Python, including spaces or excluding spaces, we have only one function is there, which is nothing but input. So this function is used to read a string including spaces. So there is no extra other function, only one function is there. Okay. So now how to read that? Just I am going to take name is equal to input, that's all. And print of, we need to take welcome comma name. Welcome comma name. Okay. If you want, you can take plus also. Plus followed by name. Sir, is this code is going to work? Yes. And the beauty here is whenever you are using a single variable name, I mean, whenever you are using a variable only one time, there, if you want, you can substitute like this. So because we are not using multiple times, right? Only one time. That's why one time usages, you can substitute directly. Now is the code is going to work? Perfectly working. And submit the code, you can see how it is going to react. Yes, you can see all the test cases are satisfied. This is the way how to implement in Python. I think you people got a clear clarity about the first program what we have, how to print welcome message on the screen. Sir, I request everyone to please respond. Is this concept whatever I covered till now, is it clear for you people, friends?
Yes.
Right, 1 second.
But I have one question, Prakash.
Yeah, tell me, sir. Someone is speaking.
Yeah, so actually I don't know Python actually. So
Okay.
how could I be able to scale
No
up
problem, sir.
mobile,
No problem, sir. See, in which programming language you are comfort, you try to concentrate on that coding. Whatever I'm going to take, you can concentrate on that part also, on that part only. Okay.
Okay.
See, already this batch got started. We shared the links also for them. So I request everyone, those who are willing to continue, you can start make payments and you can get registered for this course. Okay. So here you are going to receive running notes like this, LBP 13 running notes. So in this document only we are going to share. This is our official class. So for them, already I covered how many programs you can see, around 14 programs I covered. Okay, 14 programs I covered. So those 14 programs we are going to discuss for you people tomorrow and day after tomorrow. After that, so those people are going to combine with us and they will join. Okay, I request everyone to please get registered if you are willing to continue. Okay, and tomorrow I will share some links also, how you can able to watch the videos, all these things. Okay, right. From tomorrow we are going to see the next level of programs, right? So that's all about today's session, sir. If any queries are there, you can feel free to ask. Right, then we
I
will.
have one question, Prakash.
Yes, sir.
So are we going to cover the OOPS concept also for part of?
No,
I mean,
sir. No, sir. Oops
the
concepts
programs
is no.
actually the
No, no,
programs
no.
you're gonna okay.
Oops concepts are never going to be discussed here, because oops concepts are nothing but related to the projects, right?
No, what I'm asking, right? The programs, right? Which you have actually mentioned around the 350 programs, right? So there might be some programs that might deal with like the concepts of OOPS and right. So that's the reason I'm asking actually.
No. Oops concepts will be covered only in the project scenarios, sir. While developing the logics, we are not required to do in the oops, because in the oops we are concentrating on the data, not on the logics. So if you take any student project or any employee related project, in that methods will be there. There we are going to write the logic. We are learning that part, not project related things. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, by May end it will be completed, definitely. Even before that also you can expect, because the reason is, sir, at beginning it will take some time. Once if you are getting, then it will be completed. Okay, because some similarity of programs will be there, and we will concentrate on some special classes also. Definitely it will be finished before May end. Okay, right. So thank you guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you.
One more question, Prakash. You mentioned that live classes plus running notes plus videos. What are those videos that you're actually trying to?
This live classes videos only. Whatever class we are taking, this is the recording, right? These videos we are going to share.
So we're gonna get these videos.
Yes.
How long are we gonna get the access to these videos?
6 months. 6 months, sir.
6 months. Okay. Thank you.
Right, sir. Right, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.